Hello, this is Rashidul Islam. Today I want to discuss about the lesson the skeletal and muscular systems. Through this lesson, you can learn how to works our organs inside our body and outside our body. So everybody can see, touch, think, cry, laugh, etc. Because of human body has a number of complex system, organs and organ system. Our body is made up of many organs, some of called external and some of organs called internal organs. Example of external organs are eyes, ears, nose, hands, etc. And internal organs are like brain, heart, lungs, etc. Moreover, we have respiratory system, circulatory system, nervous system in our human body. Now, skeletal system. Our skeletal system is look like a frame where there is bone, joint that protects our soft internal organs. The bones give support, strength and shape to our body. There are 206 bones in an adult human body. Our human skeleton is made up of the skull, the backbone, the ribcage, the forelimbs and the hind limbs. The lower bones have soft some marrow inside them where blood cells are produced. Next is the skull. It is made up of 22 bones. In upper part has 8 flat bones. They form the brain like a case or a box which protects it. The face has 14 bones which give complete shape and structure. Now the backbone. It is connected to the backbone. It has 33 small bones. The spinal cord passes through column. So the next is the rib cage. The bones in our chest protect the heart, lungs and other soft organs. The breastbone is the hard bone in the middle of our chest. 12 pairs of long curved bones are called ribs and 2 pairs of ribs are called floating ribs. So the next is forelimbs and hind limbs. The bones in our arms and legs are longer than the other bones in our body. The bone in the upper arms is joined to the shoulder girdles. The shoulder girdles consist of the shoulder blades and collarbone. Many small bones form our wrist, palms and fingers. The thin bone or femur is the longest bone in our body. So it bears the entire weight of our body. The upper end of the thin bone is connected to the hip girdle. The lower end of the thin bone is connected to the lower leg. Our feet, ankles and toes are made up of several small bones. So today I want to finish this lesson up to page number 236.